Hello, dear students. Assalamu alaikum. Today, our topic is bases. The solution of the substances like caustic soda, lime, and washing soda are bitter in taste and soapy to touch, slippery to touch. They are called bases. Thus, bases are those chemical substances which have a bitter taste. All the bases change the color of red litmus paper to blue. Now, bases are of two types. There are two types of bases. One is the strong base and other is weak base. What is strong base? What strong bases are? A base which completely ionizes in water and thus produces a large amount of hydroxide ions is called a strong base. Sodium hydroxide and potassium hydroxide KOH are strong bases. This is because they completely ionize on dissolving in water to produce a large amount of hydroxide ions. Now, the second type is weak base. A base which is partially ionized in water and thus produces a small amount of hydroxide ions is called a weak base. Ammonium hydroxide NH4OH and calcium hydroxide CaOH2 and magnesium hydroxide MgOH2 are weak bases, or we can say weak alkalis. This is because they ionize only partially on dissolving in water and produce a small amount of hydroxide ions. So the only difference between the strong and weak bases is that strong bases produce large amount of hydroxide ions, while as the weak bases produce a small amount of hydroxide ions. Then there are properties. These bases have so many properties. One of the property of bases is that bases have bitter taste, and its second property is bases feel soapy to touch. Third one property is bases burn red litmus paper to blue, and fourth property is these bases conduct electricity in solution as they are electrolytes. While as fifth one is bases react with some metals to form hydrogen gas. Next property of bases is bases react with acids to form salt and water. Now, uses of bases. Where these bases are used. Sodium hydroxide is used in the manufacture of soap, paper, and synthetic fiber called rayon, while as calcium hydroxide is used in the manufacture of bleaching powder. And third one uses magnesium hydroxide, which is a base, is used as an antacid to neutralize excess acid in stomach and cure digestion. Next one use of this bases is sodium carbonate is used as washing soda for softening hot water. And fifth one use of these bases is that sodium hydrogen carbonate, a base, is used as baking soda in cooking food for making baking powders. Thank you, beta. See you in next class. Okay, best of luck.